Don't download GreenGrowth Investments app before watching this. If you're thinking about GreenGrowth Investments, pause for a moment. At first glance, it looks like a straightforward way to invest in green energy and sustainable projects, but the surprising truth is that there are hidden risks you need to understand before you commit your money. GreenGrowth Investments positions itself as a platform for sustainable investing, allowing users to fund renewable energy projects and eco-friendly companies. That sounds appealing, especially with climate-conscious investing on the rise. However, most people get this wrong. Investing in these projects doesn't guarantee returns. Your profits depend on project performance, regulatory approvals, and market adoption of the technologies involved. Unlike traditional ETFs or stocks, these investments can be far less liquid and harder to exit if needed. Another key consideration is transparency. Some projects on GreenGrowth may provide detailed updates, but not all. Investors may face delays in receiving financial reports or understanding exactly how funds are being used. This makes it crucial to read the fine print and evaluate each opportunity individually. Fees are also a factor. GreenGrowth may charge management or performance fees that eat into potential profits. While these fees compensate for project vetting and administration, they can be significant, especially for smaller investments. On the plus side, the platform gives access to a niche market that's hard to reach for individual investors. You can support renewable energy projects and potentially earn returns while contributing to sustainability. The user interface is designed to simplify investing and track project updates in real time. In conclusion, don't download GreenGrowth Investments expecting guaranteed profits or instant liquidity. It's best suited for investors with a long-term mindset who are comfortable with higher risk and want to support sustainable projects. Understanding these limitations ahead of time will help you make smarter decisions and avoid surprises down the road. Green investing can be rewarding, but only if you go in with the right expectations.